What go on, my people? So this week on stage, Winford Williams speak with ching people. You know what I mean? Big up to ching. And people, I personally rate ching to the ground because he became this iconic figure now from just dancing and slanging, and now he's recording and he has some of the baddest lyrics. You know what I mean? Even in this song that he's promoting, it sells. You know what I mean? His image sells. As he said to Winford Williams, like, when he's just traveling, people stop him, want to know who he is. His image sells. You know what I mean? And just looking at ching, is you know that he has style. And it's just coming out of him. And that's good. Organic. You know what I mean? Because it's just, that's who he is. He has the slang to match it. He have the dancing, and now his style is just making him a brand. You know what I mean? And that's really something where if someone is gonna invest into someone to promote brand, they would look at ching because ching has that style, that image to promote things. He's a natural born promoter, and that's what I like with him. You know what I mean? Because he has that image. You know what I mean? And to know that ching is now doing these dancehall songs to just promote himself on a more broader base, I really have to say big up to ching. You know what I mean? And for Sean Paul to really give him this opportunity to do this album, people, I have to say big up to Sean Paul as well. No matter what anyone want to say about Sean Paul. You know what I mean? As Sean Paul is giving ching his platform. And as Ching said to Winford Williams, Sean Paul is there pushing him, you know what I mean, with the support. You know what I mean? So big up to Sean Paul for really doing that and helping a ghetto youth just save said speed. You know what I mean? Because Ching need that because he has the image and he has the slangs. His slangs, they rhyme. Listen to his slangs there. All of his slangs, they rhyme and they make sense. He told Winford that he's glad for nothing because nothing is what give him the opportunity to have something. And that rhyme, it makes sense. You know what I mean? So those type of witty rhyme, he has that wittiness about it, and that's creativity. You know what I mean? So he has the image to match it, and I'm glad he has a platform, and as I said, I'm glad Winford Williams is giving his platform as well to Ching to sell his brand, because he's a natural brand by himself. You know what I mean? So big up yourself, ching. And people in image shot, check him out. Peace. I'm out.
Work in the country, you have to look pan. And him do great works too, because even though him the jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy we said them didn't want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Winford Williams. Take me on that if you wish.